You can see along the cold front and along the trough in Saskatchewan, it'll continue to push further east right on the Saskatchewan-Manitoba border. And we could see, with all of that daytime heating, as we know it's another warm day today in the eastern prairie provinces, we could see some severe weather popping up this afternoon, this evening, and even through the overnight hours as well. Taking a look further west, we do see rain showers today right through BC. In fact, some areas seeing some heavier rain as well. We do have some rainfall warnings in place for Howe Sound, for example. 20 to 30 millimeters of rainfall is expected by tonight in around the West Kootenay area, West Columbia, Arrow Lake. We could be seeing upwards of 40 millimeters of rainfall through tonight. And the good news is, after seeing a lot of rain today, it should be tapering off to showers through the evening. Now, we are looking at this band of rain. You can see it in the radar there. Band of rain showers through the interior. Keep in mind that as the rain pushes east of the Rockies, it's actually going to transform through the overnight hours into a low pressure system. And so that low is going to bring more thunderstorms tomorrow to Saskatchewan and Manitoba. So do keep that in mind, more thunderstorms for tomorrow. But it's a fairly wet day right across BC. Again, through the interior, there is the risk of some isolated thunder showers this afternoon and really through the southern and central interior. And the further west you go, the more likely you are to see the rain showers. The further up you go, at the higher elevations, you're more likely to see that steadier rain. Now, further north in the prairie provinces, in around, well, we'll say the Churchill area, for example, we have been seeing some thunder showers this morning. Through the afternoon hours, the thunderstorms will move further south.